Check out the Bandit 1590 XP hand-fed wood chipper from International Corporation Bandit Industries. Easily outperforming all other chippers in its class, this compact tree-eating monster quickly became the machine all similar chippers were compared to. With its massive 19 3/4 inch by 20 1/2 inch throat opening, this Bandit can accept an entire 18-inch diameter tree with all its branches, bumps, and imperfections. Once placed into the opening, the tree is pulled inside by the unstoppable force of the hydraulically powered feed wheels. The wood is chipped on the bottom half of a 37-inch diameter cutting drum, which cuts on an arc with the grain of the wood. This creates less vibration, allowing the 1590 to process wood at a mind-bending rate while requiring less fuel and horsepower. Designed to assist workers with loading the trees, the optional winch has become a popular addition. An available track system allows chipping operations on rough terrain. Though upgraded models have since been released, the Bandit 1590 remains one of the preeminent compact wood chippers ever created. Now let's look at 7 more machines used on trees. This is the Palm Tree Tornado, an ingenious rotating device used for trimming the trunks of palm trees. Unless you've lived among palm trees, you may not realize that their smooth trunks are often the result of countless hours spent climbing and manually trimming their thick, husky exteriors. With the Palm Tree Tornado, workers can remain safely on the ground while the machine does the work. The device is installed slightly above ground level and completely encircles the tree. As it rotates around the tree and slowly rises, its 3 spinning blades trim away the rough exterior from the trunk. When it reaches the area just beneath the canopy, it encounters what is sometimes referred to as the boot section. This thick, scarred area of the tree is created by older leaves that were discarded as the tree grew taller. Though this type of growth is extremely difficult to cut manually, the Palm Tree Tornado trims it away with ease. If you had a choice between climbing and trimming a palm tree or using this amazing creation, which would you pick? Yeah, that's what we thought. Introducing the Tree Spade from Canadian company Dutchman Industries, a totally mind-blowing tool that can actually transplant an entire tree. These incredible tools can scoop a tree, its root system, and the surrounding soil right out of the ground. As if that weren't astounding enough, the Tree Spade can then drive the tree to a new location and replant it. None the worse for its journey, the tree is safely and firmly secured in its new home. Before the tree can be moved, a new location must be determined. Once specified, the Tree Spade creates a new planting spot for the tree by cutting a perfect hole into the ground. For extremely large trees, the Tree Spade curve model is more than up to the task. Other models include the 22 or 25 degree truncated, the 30-degree cone, and the 3-point hitch. By applying mechanized power to what was formerly a lengthy and difficult process, the Tree Spade can do the job in just a few hours. Once you've seen the Tree Spade in action, you'll start to believe that anything is possible. For another great creation from Dutchman Industries, meet the Tree Tire, an extremely handy device for wrapping trees into a tight configuration. With the holidays fast approaching in many countries, the demand for Christmas trees is exploding. Designed to prepare trees for quick, easy transport from the farm, this multi-ring mechanism can tie up a standing tree in seconds. Placed around the tree just beneath the lowest branches, the Tree Tire ring serves to compact the branches. As it slowly rises up the tree, the rotating tying mechanism gradually secures the branches with a special twine.
Next level.
The Tree Tire's compact design allows for a tighter, more even wrap. Angled front tongues on the outer ring facilitate initial branch lifting, while a hydraulic tubular gate opens to allow the tree inside. Adding an inner horseshoe ring facilitates easy downsizing when needed, and an optional pivoting arm provides an angled reach. For wrapping trees located in tight rows, the excavator-mounted model provides easier overhead access. Also perfect for nursery applications, the Dutchman tree tire provides the strongest, smoothest, and fastest way to tie up those trees. Introducing the Bear Harvester and Buffalo King Forwarder, two mighty logging vehicles from the Ponce Corporation. For harvesting timber in mass quantities, the Ponce Bear is arguably the most capable machine in use today. Operated from its ergonomically designed cabin, this massive track-driven machine is an unbeatable powerhouse for harvesting thick trees in demanding conditions. Aided by its loader attachments or harvesting heads like the H10, the Bear can cut down trees with amazing ease. It can then strip them of nearly all their bark and limbs, cut them into sections, and stack them neatly into piles. With a carrying capacity of 18 tons, the Mercedes-Benz powered Ponce Buffalo King has virtually no equals. Available as a 6 or 8-wheeler, its active frame suspension allows it to safely haul its load over the most challenging ground or steep logging roads. With a ridiculous 9.5-meter reach, its K100 loader attachment includes powerful jaws that can carry over 1,000 kilograms in a single grab. While words don't do these machines proper justice, seeing them in action is an awe-inspiring experience. Check out the CS2740 Model 60, an amazing firewood processor from Canadian company Cord King. Proven to have the highest production rate on the planet, the CS27 can process between 4 and 10 full cords of wood per hour. First, a log is positioned along the 20-inch infeed tray. Adjustable for anything between a 12 and 24-inch cut, the hydraulic log stop positions the log while the spinning circular slasher saw cuts it cleanly through. With an astounding 42 tons of force, the section is pushed forward toward a splitter, such as the Cord King 28-way split packaging wedge. The entire process takes only a few seconds and is repeated until the quota is filled. When the processed firewood is released from the splitter, the sections can be conveyed into a Cord King tumbler. This rotating cage filters out small waste wood and sends the sections down the line for loading or packaging. When the weather turns cold, nothing beats a nice fire. With machines like the CS27 at work, you'll always have plenty of wood to burn. Check out these incredible portable sawmills from North American company Norwood. Instead of paying someone else to process your wood for construction, these sawmills allow you to do it yourself at your home or the worksite. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Norwood has a model to suit your needs. For a machine that can attach to your existing chainsaw, the PM14 can mill hardwood and softwood logs up to 14 inches in diameter. Logs up to 26 inches in diameter and boards up to 19 inches wide can be quickly processed with the MN26 portable bandsaw mill. Perfect for large undertakings like building your dream cabin, the LM29 can handle logs up to 29 inches in diameter. If you require the log cutting capacity of an industrial sawmill, the mighty HD36 steps your cutting capacity up to 36 inches. To put a nice smooth surface on rough cut wood, try the LX26 log molder and planer. With a Norwood sawmill, milling your own wood has never been easier. Meet the P11A automated tree planting mechanism from Swedish company Braka Forest. In production since the 1990s, this innovative machine can plant trees in easily worked fertile ground or fields littered with stumps and stones. Mounted to a 14 to 20-ton excavator, the P11A makes it possible to conduct forest regenerative work, including ground preparation and planting, with a single machine. The P11A is hydraulically operated from inside the cab of the excavator with a simple hand controller. The operator can choose a distribution pattern for planting and then determine an appropriate spot for each plant. To begin planting, a worker loads the saplings into the machine's holding tubes. Next, the planting attachment overturns a suitable mound of earth. Lowering itself back to the mound, the planter compresses the mound and inserts the sapling. If deemed necessary, the planter applies fertilizer or insecticide to the sapling. Without replacing a large percentage of the trees that are harvested each year, catastrophic deforestation becomes a real possibility, helping to ensure the continuation of healthy and abundant forests for generations to come. The P11A is making a positive contribution. Which of these tree machines impressed you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember, you can now watch Freeze Lists in Spanish on our Spanish channel, Freeze Lists Español. To do so, just click on this link and you will be directed there. See you next time.